Well, if you can see my screen, yeah, I've got those ones there. I'll refresh the chameleon now. Let's just double check. Purple penguin. Who's purple penguin? Are you in here? Yes. Good warning. Yes. Possible trade on U.S. steel today. X. I really don't like derivative plays like that. Bitcoin, steel, commodities, those are good swing trades, but you can't pump them. They are what they are. They're the price that they are. And it doesn't matter if you put millions of dollars into X. You're only going to be rallying it beyond where the price really is, because steel is steel. So yeah, I generally don't like to do that. Day trade, swing trade, yeah, but the idea there would be to get it before it pops. Like I just watched a Young Frankenstein. A person like that's like Igor, bringing me fucking abnormal from the lab. It's good. The good brain is the one that is getting me into steel before the pop. Artie Feldman was hilarious. All right. Michael, Jasper is up 8%. Ion Q 7%. Vootsy. Jasper. Now, I want to go by market cap, make sure we're not missing anything here. Yeah, team, $100 billion company is up pretty big. 415 to 465. I do have that up though. Yep, steel X. Ion Q for 2.6 billion. And yep, all right. So we have it, and Vootsy. There we go. We have every opportunity in front of us. Asper doesn't look like anything really. Yeah, take that off. I'll just leave steel up in case that turns into a swing. All right. Boosted is breaking. All right, I better that up because yesterday I believe that turned pretty hot. Good morning, Manuel. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and Twitch and Twitter and Periscope and YouTube and Discord and Zoom. Hamilton is still overrated. Thanks, Rodney. You said it. I mean, all that's overrated, isn't it? We don't even live in that time anymore. I think that musicals are going to kind of go out of fad as well if they're not already. And only be for just those nutcases who into it. Freaky Friday. All right. Happy Freaky Friday, everybody. Let's get it cracking. So, what do we have on the market going on? So, we have over in Asia last night, as we saw, their markets were roughly sideways. But here, when we did an analysis on the market, we found some actual hidden divergence going on, and that the market SPY, the S&P 500, was overbought. So we may see a tricky day today because of that overbought situation. We have options contracts predominantly priced in at a lower price. And so we're probably going to see market makers do a really strong, nasty job towards the close of the market if they can't get the market to grind down today. So we'll see if the market indeed grinds down, but that's probably what the market makers need to happen in order to maximize their winnings. So we might see the market grind down today or go sideways, in my opinion. And although gold has dropped 15 points, so the ATM machine, somebody's been taking money out of the ATM machine on gold in the last couple of about last hour, preparing for the market today, maybe preparing for getting into some things. Rates are up a smidge, so that'll hit tech a little bit. So tech is not going to have the greatest day. That's what it looks like. Oil is down to $81.50 a barrel. And however, energy, XLE, the energy sector, is actually up. So that may be because of natural gas and other factors. But industrial sideways, tech slightly down, S&P 500 down. So altogether, sideways or down is probably going to be the prognosis today. So watch yourselves. You see something running, and it might be a breakout to a top of a trading range, and then you're going to get stuck, and it's going to slam you down to the bottom of the trading range, and you're going to cry for mercy, and you're going to try and exit, and then that's going to be the bottom of the range. It's going to go all the way back up, and you're going to say, God damn it, I wish I stayed in. And so then you see a little breakout at the top of the range, and you get in, and then it goes back down. Ranging days are the toughest, and today may be a ranging day. So watch out for that. Don't get into anything that's not super hot. So in regards to that, we do have a bunch of special cases this morning, some hot stocks on our radar. That's GFAI, TWNT, BEST, BEST, MRAI, METX, UAVS, WIMI, WIMI, and IonQ. We're also watching TRIT, DWAC, VOOTC, Lucid, Zala, Team, and X for steel. And of course, we always have our eyes on Apple and Tesla and Amazon. So we'll be giving signals on those when they break their particular entry points. And so if you guys are over on TikTok and you want to get those signals, We'll be live trading the market this morning, and you just need to click the link in my bio in order to come and join our trading group and come into our live Zoom session where we'll be trading the markets in 17 minutes. And I've been trading the markets for 25 years, and so I lead our group in finding the signals and what to trade and risk levels. And you never know what it's going to be. We have in front of us about 16 opportunities this morning, and 14 out of those 16 might just crap out. Which two are going to be the hottest? Don't guess. Just follow me. Trade with us. Click the link in my bio, and you'll be able to hear what's hot, and when the signals happen, you'll know which one to get into and for how many shares you should buy it based on how much money you have in your account, all that good stuff. So just click the link in my bio in order to join us. In 17 minutes, the markets will open, and we'll be cutting off the TikTok feed at that time. I know, UAVS back on the radar, right? And the VIX is back up again, even more. Remember last night we were looking at it and how that divergence on the VIX, there's a divergence on the VIX. I felt a divergence on the VIX. Well, it's up even more. So you're getting even more divergence, and the weird thing is that SPY's going down. So, well, actually that makes sense. But anyway, it's creating more divergence. NVAX, you think it's going to break the high? I don't know. Let me take a look. You talking about yesterday's high? It looks like it's going to easily do that, but it's going to go right into congestion at 159. So I don't think that's a very good trade. Where do you WEME ends up today? Where do I think WEME is going to end up today? Yeah, it'll be interesting to watch. So we'll watch it, and when the signal happens, if there's a trade on WEME, we'll get in it. That's how we trade. We don't really like do a Nostradamus thing. GFI AI is an uplist from the OTC. Okay. All right. And it's at 3.5 now. Okay. It was at 2.4. There's Brutus in Norway. How you doing, buddy? Hey, Evan, I just joined your mastery class. Nice. And guess which video I watched first? The 1% rule. All right. Way to go. Most important lesson I have had so far. And I think everyone else is going to tell you that. That probably is the most important thing you should learn. That's the day you start your journey to being a pro trader. Way to go, Brutus. Yep, Neil says so. Yep, agreed. Says yep. Says Justin. The headset you have is literally the best ever. Yeah, man, I love it. The only problem is on my Macintosh system that I have it hooked up into. At 2 hours in, for some reason, it starts getting this funny sounds, and I don't know. I haven't had time to to troubleshoot it. Ooh, thanks for the little coffee. I like that whipped coffee. Somebody sent me a whipped coffee on TikTok. Hello, Fox. Oh, that says, "Enjoy the Zen. We'll be right back." Uh-oh. Is that a sign? We have a bear. Why aren't they showing us bulls? So anyway, yeah, gold is still trending down. So that's somewhat good for the market. It means that hedgies are positioning for a move today, a possible purchase today. But as I mentioned last night, the options pricings are priced in lower. So we're probably going to see the market pull down today in order for smart money and big money to be able to cash in properly on this week's bets. Prague gamma short squeeze incoming. That may be so. Yeah, we'll have to see, but that'll be near the end of the market day. Thoughts on SPY? Yeah, we just went over it, but there's a divergence on the VIX, and we expect SPY to go down today. So definitely a little bit more of an advanced call, spotting that with a divergence on the VIX. Buck Percival? Yeah. Who said that? That's funny. I'll go with that. I'll go with that. Weemy. Yeah, Weemy, if it breaks 567, you guys, that'll be an entrance for 40 cents of risk. B-Fly. Detect COVID-19 test receives FDA emergency use authorization for over-the-counter home use. That's nice. All right, let's pull up B-Fly and see if that's flying. If it be flying. Shall we check? I swear to God, I should have Jackson. In a real world, non-pandemic scenario, we'd have Jackson and RJ right here on the podcast. Absolutely. Jackson is enough comic relief, I think, for sure. On my lap. Hilarious. All right, so B-Fly was at 1020 and just popped to 1053 on that news. It could run from there if you want to get into that and take that risk. It'd be for about 40 cents of risk. Hey, everybody on TikTok, make sure you click like a bunch of times for me. Let's boost this stream a little bit. Throw some diamonds my way, a little gift here, a little that there. It increases the ranking. It increases the stream popularity and the reach. So that'd be awesome. Thank you very much for doing that. If you're going to go ahead and do it, thank you in advance. Facebook's Metaverse rebranding of a tech giant violent. So I guess they're going to call themselves Meta, which is it's very interesting. I love the idea. I really do think that is the future. I think Mark Zuckerberg is probably an incredibly smart dude. Because he already saw this pivot, a decade ago. They've been working on the Oculus move a long time ago. But to actually just do this and just drop Facebook, go Meta, create a universe, an environment for work and play, and social. Wow. I mean, is anyone else? Twitter? Is Twitter creating a virtual VR social media network? No. Anybody? No, not really. No. Microsoft probably is the only other person who could probably quickly do that, who's set up to do that. But I think, Facebook's going to lead the way. So let's keep our fingers crossed. But for me, that's a good 10-year investment right there. I mean, that is the future. Oh. No. Somebody asked, why am I ignoring you guys? Do I want the likes? Yeah, and that's why I'm ignoring you. I do deliberately ignore people. I especially ignore people who whine about it too. It's funny, but it's a funny thing. It's a funny thing. Anyway, what the fuck did I miss? What do you want me to talk about? What did I miss? Shiba, will it go up? No, it's dead. It's over. Is Wish good today? Oh, Weemy good today. Yes, it is. And there's the break on Weemy. Anybody get into Weemy? If you had that set in pre-market, pre-order, you just got into Weemy for 40 cents of risk. Stop at 5.2. You're in at 5.48. Okay. That was a little early, James. Please watch your entries. Wait for the signals because you could end up getting into stuff that doesn't work out. Don't be a hero. Careful. Every morning, there's a few of these stocks that are just super hot in the day. They're experiencing this once in a lifetime, once in a 3-year, once in a year, incredible news. And they're having the most incredible day ever. And then tomorrow, it's over. And tomorrow, it's a different stock. These things, they happen just for this one day. And so that's what we're watching. We're watching 16 of these right now. A couple of them are new, and they're having their big day today for the first time. A couple of them are we're watching for potential continuation. And over in our trading room, we will be able to give you the signals on which ones are breaking and when. So in 7 minutes, the market opens. That's what we'll be doing heavily in our trading room when we turn off the TikTok. If you'd like to come join our trading room, then just click the link in my bio. That's you just got to click my profile photo right up there. It pulls up my information right there, and then you got to click my profile photo one more time, and then go click the link in my bio. And I hope to see you in a couple minutes in the trading room. We have over 400 members, and I've been doing this for 25 years. Cavill, yeah, I've got that up for day 2. Oh, Jackson, that reminds me, get out of VRAR. Maybe you did yesterday when it just kept sinking. Already did, my friend. Already did. Okay. All right. VTSI is starting to curve up. If VTSI can break 1187, you can get in for 40 cents, 50 cents of risk. Well, you beat me to it, Jackson. I wasn't watching yesterday. I would have taken the same path. We've got 6 minutes until the market opens. Watch VTSI. If VTSI breaks 1187, you can get in for 50 cents of risk. And WEMI is, it popped that little breakout there, but hasn't followed through really yet. Perhaps it will at the market open. There's no surprise movement anywhere right now. Everything is in pole position, waiting for the open. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. What is Tootsie? What did I say? It's not Tootsie. Oh, VUTSI. VUZI. Yeah, VUZI. VUTSI. And then you said you were all over that WXYZ pattern. Yeah, you were, Jackson. Probably that is probably the last time I listened to you. How you doing? Night, what? Night, your name is Nightbot? Oh, wow. Jay Dogster, the Nightbot, is like trying to tell you to slow down. That's funny. What's your thoughts on AbbVie today? Okay, I could do a quick look at AbbVie. I used to like AbbVie. I still do, but I used to too. AbbVie. Yeah, there's not a whole heck of a lot going on AbbVie. That's a slow opportunity. You think the market will be down all day or bounce is possible? What I think is I think it will rally at some point, and that will be a trap. Okay? I think stop looking for a bounce, and what you should do is be careful of a fucking rally, because that's going to be a trap. It's quite the opposite. Careful today. EMCB. Twilio is taking off. All right. A couple of people mentioned that this morning. Let's go take a look. And we have 3 minutes and 40 seconds until the market opens. Keep an eye on VTSI. Right, well, Twilio's not on that radar or that radar. And let's see what's happening here. Yeah, we're watching Lucid. Lucid just broke pre-market high, you guys, of 38.75. That's $1 of risk if you want to get into Lucid. Already breaking pre-market high right now, 3 minutes before the open. just realize that any kind of push that it makes could be short-lived. Make sure you take your profits underneath every dollar level on Lucid if you're getting into Lucid, and you take them quickly. 5 to 20% profits of your position underneath every dollar level. All right, we have 2 minutes and 50 seconds before the open, and we'll be turning off the TikTok feed here. So you guys over on TikTok, thank you for joining us for the morning session. And if you would like to continue trading with us, click the link in my bio. Just come on over to my bio, click the link in my bio, and come join us. You've got a couple minutes until the open, and we'll see you in our trading room. And you'll be able to follow us for all the signals, both entries and also how much to holding, profit taking points, exits, stops. We'll be broadcasting all of them in live time over our live trading room. We got 2 minutes to the open, and that's when we'll be cutting the TikTok stream. Yeah. Thoughts on Tesla? 1100, I believe, is the top. So it's going to keep teasing and smashing up against 1100, taking those orders, and then it's going to slam down for 2 months. So that's in my opinion. You have a Lucid 30 call? Good for you. Deep in the money. I like it. 1 minute and 15 seconds to the open. All right, good. I can see that a couple of you came into our trading room from the TikTok. Welcome. And we're going to be opening in 40 seconds the market. And I'll be guiding you through all these trades, entries, holding, partial profits, how many shares to buy, exits, stops. If that's something you're interested in, please click the link in my bio. We're about to shift over to the live trading at the market open now. 18 seconds to go. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us this morning in the TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube feeds. And I look forward to seeing you in our trading group. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?